Artificial intelligence, often abbreviated as AI, has radically transformed the landscape of modern marketing. No longer a futuristic concept, AI is now deeply embedded in the daily operations of brands around the world. Its ability to process massive amounts of data, identify patterns, and make intelligent predictions has opened the door to unprecedented levels of personalization and optimization in advertising. To understand how AI is reshaping marketing, let's delve into the core mechanisms of personalization and ad optimization, exploring the strategies, technologies, and real-world impact that AI brings to the table. Imagine a world where every consumer feels like a brand is speaking directly to them. This is the promise of AI-powered personalization. At its core, personalization is about tailoring experiences, messages, and offers to individual customers based on their behaviors, preferences, and needs. Traditionally, marketers relied on broad segments and demographic data to target their audiences. But AI has pushed the boundaries far beyond these basic approaches. AI systems can collect and analyze data from countless touchpoints: websites, apps, emails, social media, and offline interactions. These systems use machine learning algorithms to understand consumer habits, what products they browse, which content they engage with, how long they linger on a page, and even the tone of their online conversations. By building rich user profiles, AI can predict what a customer is likely to want, when they'll want it, and how they prefer to interact with brands. One of the most visible forms of AI-driven personalization is the recommendation engine. Think about the last time you shopped online or watched a movie on a streaming platform. The suggestions you received weren't random. They were carefully curated by AI algorithms, analyzing your past behavior and comparing it with millions of other users. In marketing, these recommendation engines can suggest products, content, or promotions tailored to each individual, increasing the likelihood of engagement and conversion. Email marketing has also been revolutionized by AI. Instead of sending the same newsletter to every subscriber, marketers can use AI to segment audiences with meticulous detail based on purchase history, browsing behavior, and engagement patterns. The AI then crafts personalized subject lines, selects content most relevant to each recipient, and even optimizes the timing of delivery to maximize open rates. But personalization is more than just product recommendations or custom emails. AI enables dynamic content creation, allowing websites and ads to change in real time based on who is viewing them. For example, a landing page might display different images, headlines, or calls to action depending on the visitor's location, interests, or past interactions. This level of customization was unthinkable just a few years ago and is only possible because AI can process and act on data instantaneously. Beyond personalization, AI is a powerhouse for ad optimization. The digital advertising ecosystem is enormously complex, with billions of impressions auctioned off in real time across platforms like Google, Facebook, and countless others. Marketers face the challenge of allocating budgets, selecting audiences, crafting creatives, and measuring results, all at lightning speed. AI steps in as the ultimate assistant, automating and refining each step to achieve the highest possible return on investment. At the heart of ad optimization is AI's ability to analyze campaign performance data and adjust strategies on the fly. Machine learning models absorb information about which ads are being clicked, which audiences are converting, and how different creatives perform. These models can automatically reallocate budgets to top-performing campaigns, pause underperforming ads, and recommend new targeting criteria, all without human intervention. AI-powered platforms use predictive analytics to forecast which users are most likely to engage with a specific ad. This means marketers can target ads with laser precision, reducing wasted impressions and driving down costs. For example, instead of serving an ad to a broad audience, AI can identify micro-segments, groups of people who share subtle behaviors or interests, and deliver tailored messages that resonate deeply. One of the most remarkable advances is the use of natural language processing and computer vision in ad optimization. AI can analyze images, videos, and text to determine which creative elements are most effective with different audiences. If a particular color scheme or message style generates higher engagement, the AI system will prioritize those elements in future campaigns. Some platforms even use AI to generate new ad creatives, testing dozens of variations simultaneously and selecting the winners based on real-time performance. Programmatic advertising is another area where AI reigns supreme. In programmatic buying, ads are purchased and placed automatically using AI algorithms that analyze data from millions of auctions every second. The AI considers factors like user demographics, device type, time of day, and historical conversion rates to bid the right amount for each impression. This automation not only saves time but also ensures that ad spend is directed to the most valuable opportunities. AI's impact on marketing also extends to chatbot and conversational marketing tools. These intelligent systems interact with customers in real time, answering questions, guiding purchases, and collecting valuable data. Chatbots use natural language understanding to provide personalized recommendations, troubleshoot issues, and even upsell products, creating a seamless and engaging customer experience. Social media marketing benefits immensely from AI as well. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok use AI to determine which content appears in users' feeds based on their interests and engagement patterns. Marketers can leverage these algorithms to ensure their ads are seen by the right people at the right time. AI also helps identify trending topics, sentiment shifts, and emerging conversations, enabling brands to respond quickly and stay relevant. Measurement and attribution are crucial aspects of ad optimization, and AI brings newfound clarity to this process. By stitching together data from multiple sources, web analytics, CRM systems, offline sales, and more, AI can create a holistic view of the customer journey. This allows marketers to understand which touchpoints influenced a conversion, how different channels interact, and where to focus future investments. While the benefits of AI in marketing are immense, it's important to consider the challenges and ethical implications. Data privacy is a growing concern, as AI systems rely on vast amounts of personal information to deliver personalized experiences. Marketers must ensure they are transparent about data collection, respect consumer preferences, and comply with regulations like GDPR and CCPA. The rise of AI also requires a shift in skills and mindset for marketing professionals. Instead of relying solely on intuition and creativity, marketers must embrace data-driven decision-making and work alongside AI systems to interpret insights and refine strategies. The most successful marketers are those who blend the art of storytelling with the science of analytics, creating campaigns that are both imaginative and effective. Looking ahead, the future of AI in marketing is bright and full of possibilities. As AI technologies continue to evolve, we can expect even deeper levels of personalization and optimization. For example, AI could enable hyper-personalized video ads that adapt in real time to each viewer's interests, or predictive models that forecast consumer needs before they even arise. Voice assistants and augmented reality experiences will offer new ways to engage customers, guided by AI's intelligent recommendations. To harness the power of AI, brands should focus on building robust data infrastructures, investing in advanced analytics platforms, and fostering a culture of experimentation. It's essential to start with clear objectives, whether that's increasing conversion rates, reducing churn, or building brand loyalty, and use AI to test, learn, and iterate quickly. For businesses just beginning their AI journey, it's wise to start small. Implement AI-driven personalization on a single channel, such as email or web, and gradually expand as you gain confidence and see results. Work with technology partners who understand your goals and can help you navigate the complexities of data integration and algorithm development. Ultimately, AI is not a replacement for human ingenuity. It is a powerful tool that amplifies what marketers do best: understanding customers, telling compelling stories, and delivering value. By embracing AI and personalization and ad optimization, brands can build deeper relationships with their audiences, achieve greater efficiency, and stay ahead in an increasingly competitive digital world. To sum up, AI's role in marketing is multifaceted and transformative. Through advanced personalization, brands can connect with customers on a highly individual level, making every interaction feel meaningful and relevant. With ad optimization, AI ensures that marketing budgets are spent wisely, campaigns are continuously improved, and results are maximized. As technology advances, the synergy between AI and marketing will only grow stronger, paving the way for a future where every message is perfectly tailored, every ad is precisely targeted, and every customer feels truly understood. The journey is ongoing, and the possibilities are limitless. By leveraging the strengths of AI, marketers can unlock new levels of creativity, efficiency, and impact, creating memorable experiences that drive growth and loyalty in the digital age.